Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is listening to Carlos as he go up against charity. He's saying that people are using themselves to, get money through charity in the name of God. They're using God's name to get charity. And he's saying that these people are not using it for charity purposes. They're using it for other stuff. They're getting cars, houses, and other stuff, and they're not using this charity for the purpose that it's supposed to be used for. He's saying that if people want to do charity, all they need to do is to call those schools around in Jamaica that needs help and find out from them what it is that they need help with and, help in that way. But Carlos is saying to give these persons that are acting in the name of God for charity money is not a good idea. So go ahead and go catch the video and listen to what Dwayne has to say about this situation as well. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And as always, lovelies, for the lovelies that are having a birthday today, I wish you a happy birthday and a prosperous one, a prosperous year filled with joy and happiness and peace and love. And for my other lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day today.
And harassing people. Go and harass a book. Go and harass some education. That only for harass. And leave me alone. I am good over here. I'm happy over here. I'm happy over here. Now jog on. Boo-boos. Jog on. All right. Let's dive into this conversation. Carla said, you're not tired? I only ask, you're not tired? You know, say, I when you say I so. Them I gonna say I so. I'm only saying, when you say I so, the hour when you outline, them still I go class and say I saw. When I could I saw. You understand? You understand? You understand? You hard of hearing? Your ears hard? Hey, I'm a damn mess. Your ears hard? Your ears hard? Sir, your ears hard. You look like you hard. I'm tough. Well, yeah, whatever you get, you just take it. Anything you get, you just take it. And let me tell you, no one is going to disrespect no one on my page. If you can't have a constructive dialogue and drop your thoughts respectfully, don't write, because I'm going to block you. No one would disrespect Carlos on my page. Take your nonsense elsewhere. There are a lot of other pages you can go and drop your disrespectful comments about anyone. It's not happening over here. Respect each other or keep it cute and neat. Simples. All right. Let us dive into Carlos and hear what Carlos has to say. What a piece of phone there. Nah, the good phone. The good phone. Here we go. And bear in mind, all of you are allowed to speak your minds if you choose to. But if you can't be respectful, come off my page. Come and I'll block you. So if you're not, don't push out your face. Do not push out your face if it's going to be something disrespectful, because I'm going to block you. I'm telling you from now, don't push out your face. All right. Let's get into Carlos.
This in Jamaica. Fauno agree with me, Samano beat me. Talk about how churches all started out in Jamaica. Everybody, and most of them started out as Christians. You know, devotion, praying, it's all about God. But all of a sudden, churches in Jamaica, they didn't no more. We don't have it like that. Remember that? Some of you guys might like it. Because some other things I talk about Dana, you know, and when the feeling get hurt. And no, the video wasn't about her particularly. Understand me? I talk about charity.
Did you hear what he said? The video wasn't about her particularly, which means it was like a collective, generalized type thing. Wanna get it? Alright. Let's continue.
No.
Shall I? What's
I
up?
do that video. I was supposed to do a total different video, you know. Me I ready to do my research. I'm ready to deliver.
Deliver, sir. Deliver.
Me I chill a little bit for start my live. Me up on my social media page.
We're going.
Video. Kinda hurt me. Because some people don't have no heart. Some people don't have no heart.
You see it?
Remember I did the video about charity before. How the people everybody start with this God thing and then warm up them heart in a people. Them heart with Jesus. And with Jesus come a lot of money, just like the church with offering and the collection plate. Church billing fund, and I'll know the church not bill yet. It seems as if everybody play with this God thing when they want to come take something off of people.
Pause! I have a question. Is Carlos telling lies? The ones with sense, and this is for you. Is Carlos telling lies? Or is this the whole truth and nothing but the truth? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's go further.
Get it, them pack up and them gone. This morning, I look on a video. And I look at them and say, you know what, like Jamaica people money, I scratch them in them pocket. A fool. Because some people cannot be satisfied. Some people who not take up on the money from foreign and help cannot be satisfied. Like salt water. Drink is the more you want. Some people who not send on the money that Jamaica go give cannot be satisfied. No matter how you help them. Waste on the seed. When I sow on the seed pan rat stone.
Like and share.
You have come people. Someone overseas seems as if on the money are bad on. Oh, we see a better on social media where you used to have charity. Because basically what it seems as if, you know. The people who used to have charity, when them say them have charity and have big money to give people. Sometimes it seems as if they have bad view or get the help.
Stop reporting my live stream. Stop it. Let's go back.
We see a better on social media. What you know?
Guys, I'm very sorry. They are reporting the live stream. They are reporting the live stream, right? Knowing damn well the live ain't going nowhere. You're not wasting the time. You're not gonna wait. Whatever you're reporting it for, Facebook will see you lying. You're not gonna go nowhere on a sad move. Go and look after your children. Go and find something constructive to do with your time. He's throwing words at charities. Listen keenly and speak your minds on the conversation. And that's enough, you know? And leave me alone. Stop harassing me. What's wrong with you? This is harassment. This is harassment. Hello, Yvonne. What's up?
Waste on the seed. When I sow on the seed pan rat stone.
I go Carlos.
You have come people. Someone overseas seems as if on the money are bad on. Oh, we see a better on social media where you used to have charity. Because basically what it seems as if, you know. The people who used to have charity, when them say them have charity and have big money to give people. Sometimes it seems as if they have a bad mind or are envious or covetous or covet the people them who will get the help. Because the whole time them poor and hungry themselves and they need the help. So
Them poor and need the help themselves too. Don't we know of personnels who started charity who was hungry too? And poor and pauperized? Don't we know? When I don't know of anybody else. Think hard and deep.
Come people. Someone overseas seems as if the money are bad on. Oh, you see a better on social media where you used to have charity. Because basically what it seems as if the people who used to have charity, when them say them have charity and have big money to give people. Sometimes it seems as if them have bad mind or are envious or covetous or covet the people them who get the help. Because the whole time them poor and hungry themselves and they need the help. So I believe say, if you're hungry yourself, just come on social media, come beg for yourself. And stop walk around and beg for people claiming that you start charity when you want the money. If you're broke and pauperized, stop scam people, man. Come out there and tell people say you want the money, man. I don't have social media page, and just for the page alone, the amount of views and the amount of fans you have, when you're making a lot of money, especially when you're in Jamaica. Convert the US currency to the Jamaican currency. Every month you make good money.
Correction, Jamaica is not a part of the monetization program on Facebook. So they could get thousands of views. They won't get a dime for it. Let's continue.
Big page. Many times bigger than mine. The Jamaica, they make money. Go to that charity, all of a sudden, when I beg money for people, then all of a sudden, they start begging for themselves. Start out on my video, people think they call us mad enough, when I burn the fire, you know. I talk about these charities start out with Jesus. Suddenly, I see man start begging for themselves, and they can't satisfy people. They give them more they want, if they buy them house, they want more. Them car, they want more. The money for them own business place, they want more. Them cannot satisfy. Because like I said, water, the more them consume, and the more them want.
Mm-hmm. Right, go.
Waste on the money, man.
They're reporting again.
And who should go figure it out? How much help you ever help them? Want somebody want help in Jamaica? For people with big platform, already have them big platform. Only help for clothes. Some of you guys only send money to certain people for clout. Not for the goodness of your heart, they want to help somebody. You just agree because people cannot be satisfied. Salt water, the more them consume, and the more they want more. Nobody else in Jamaica for help. If you don't see nobody in Jamaica for help, let me tell you what to do with the money, because like some of the money are scratching the backside of it.
Right.
Me see,
Real stuff.
the man are using it. Get help, man, get car, man, get shot, man, get every goddamn thing. Coming back out here, better man.
Hold on. Who is he talking? Who has shop? Shots fired. Shots fired. I've shop. I will get car. Let's hear that part. Let's hear that part again. I want to hear that part again.
Me see, the man are using it.
Mm-hmm.
Get help, man, get car, man, get shot, man, get every goddamn thing. Coming back out here, better man. Need to stop, man.
I want my talk.
Someone who do some charity and beg for people. The whole time when they need is so. I'm begging so. But to come out and beg for people. Yo. Social media thing look bad, man. Somehow, you know, we're not going to page on the still a beg. All of the want to just come out and come talk or do certain things and the people them follow on, you know. We're not going to followers already. All you need is followers. For the followers. Big page, bigger than mine. A million of bloggers. Who not beg. For the people are watching, man. If you tell the people, say them a hustle, no. When them stop. We make the social media space so bad, man. Eh? And what is that? And the people...
Cause that software you're using, stop it. Cause just stop using, cause I don't like it. I want to hear you damn good. And it keeps fluctuating so a little bit more. You're good too. Use a phone and stop it. Ciao.
Feel so bad, man. Eh? And what is that? And the people, man, stop paying off the people on the social media page. All they need to do is tell the people to like and share.
Like
Grow
and
your
share,
page.
guys.
Make your own money.
Please
Why you
like
seem
and
to
share.
beg the people who come watch you, who support you? Them a come, them a turn on every time they come on. Every time they come on, them a come on. The people that support it, them a like, them a share. What the hell on that beg the people them suffer? On a disgusting, man. They come out in a video like this before, you know. I'm supposed to tell any things, man. What me I notice and me I watch. Disgusting.